Let me tell you a secret. If you want to take your skincare to the next level, consider adding vitamin C serum to your routine. So as we get older, we tend to face different kind of skin issues, from wrinkles, loss of collagen, slow wound healing, sun damage, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or dull skin. So to avoid all these skincare issues as you get older, create a skincare routine early and add vitamin C serum to the routine. What is the benefit of vitamin C serum to our skin? Before we go into that, we would like to discuss what is vitamin C serum first, before we go into the benefits. Vitamin C serum is a skincare product that contains good acid that is good for our skin. I'm not going to go into all the acid that vitamin C serum contains, but the most important of all is the L-ascorbic acid, which is the most important ingredient in vitamin C serum. So we have two types of vitamin C. We have the laboratory vitamin C, the one they cook in lab, and we have the natural vitamin C, the ones they do with fruit. My name is Choma. In this channel, I talk about skincare products, makeup. I review skincare in Nigerian market. I also talk about natural hair care and everything about self-care. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can push out my videos to others. So back to the topic. When you take care of your skin and master it earlier enough, it will help you as you get older to not age so fast. So what is the benefit of vitamin C to our skin? Vitamin C serum protects our skin from free radicals. By using vitamin C, you can neutralize these free radicals and protect your skin from further damage. Not only does vitamin C protect us from skin damage, but it also helps brighten and even out your skin. To have a bright toned skin, all your skin will be the same tone, no dark patches. Vitamin C is best and the most important ingredients to get that. Vitamin C is known to stop the production of melanin. Melanin is the radicals that is in charge of dark skin. So vitamin C helps to stop the production of melanin, which is responsible for dark spots. Vitamin C also helps boost collagen production in the skin. What is collagen? Collagen is the protein that is responsible for giving the skin its elasticity and firmness. For your skin to be firm as you get older, collagen is responsible for that, so that your skin will not sack and be doing belle. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. That's why you see when people get older, they begin to sag face, body everywhere. So the collagen production in their skin have reduced. So as we using vitamin C serum can stimulate collagen production and achieve firmer, smoother, and more youthful looking skin. Vitamin C is a natural humectant. It helps to provide hydration to your skin. If you have used vitamin C serum before, you will notice that whenever you apply it on your face, you will have this glow that it gives you. So it's a natural humectant. It means it can help to attract and retain moisture in the skin. By using vitamin C serum, you can provide your skin with the hydration it needs to look plump and healthy. You ask me, how do I use vitamin C serum? You incorporate it into your skincare routine. So I normally use mine in the morning. I don't use it twice a day. Some we advise you to use it morning and night. So after cleansing and toning, the number 3 skincare product you should apply is your vitamin C serum. I use once a day. I don't have much skin issues. So if you have a high skin, if you have much skin problem, you can use twice a day. I use once in a day. But it is important that using a single product or ingredients alone like vitamin C cannot solve these issues. A proper skincare routine under the guidance of a dermatologist is essential to maintain a healthy skin. This video is just to tell you the benefit of vitamin C. It's not that only vitamin C will solve all the problem. No. In conclusion, using vitamin C can provide numerous benefits for you. It can provide your skin. It can protect your skin from damage, brighten and even out your skin, boost collagen production, provide hydration. With regular use, you can achieve a radiant, youthful, healthy. So if you want to take your skincare routine to the next level, consider adding vitamin C serum to your daily skincare routine. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos for more info on vitamin C serum. Bye bye.